So we got this situation. If the maximum value of 19 CP is A, so 19 CP is A, 20 CQ is B, and we have 21 CR as C. Okay, and we have to find out the relationship between AB and C. So what I want you to tell is, can you write things as, like I want to write 1 equals to A by 19 CP. Will you allow me to do so? Yes, because it is equality now. So B by 20 CQ. 1 equals to C by 21 CR. Okay, so everything is equal to 1 1 1. So can I equate them? So can I write A by 19 CP is equal to B by 20 CQ is equal to C by 21 CR. Now look at the approach. So they are saying that you have to use maximum value of this binomial coefficient. Now look at, just connect with my explanation. So look at the power. Power is 19. So it is 1 plus x power 19. So if it is 19, the number of term will be 20. If the number of term will be 20, which term will be in the middle? The 10th term. And the 10th term will have a lower subscript as 9. So can I say that P will be 9 in this case? Now you have 20 CQ. So can I write this thing as 1 plus x power 20? You know that n is 20, so the number of term will be 21. So if the number of term is 21, who will be in the middle one? 21 plus 1 by 2, yani 11th term. 11th term is in the middle. So if it is 11th term, Q will be equal to 10, correct? Now look at this. Here it is 1 plus x power 21. So the number of term is 22. So if the number of term is 22, there will be two term in the middle, that is 11th term and 12th term. So if we are dealing with 11th term, who will be in the middle? Means 11th term, the lower subscript will be 10. So can I say R will be 10? Okay, there will be two term, you can take any one of them, still okay. Okay, now look at this. Can I write A by 19 C9 is equal to B by 20 C10 is equal to C by 21 C10. Okay, now do the simplification. A by 19 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial is equal to B by 20 factorial, 10 factorial, 10 factorial is equal to C by 21 factorial, 10 factorial, 11 factorial. Okay, so do the simplification. You know that the 19 is the least one, so it will neutralize and you will be having 20 from here. It will be neutralized, you will be having 20 and 21 from denominator. Okay, now let's neutralize the 9. So acha, we have 10 everywhere, so 10, 10 and 10 got neutralized. Now you have 9 factorial, so 9 factorial, you will be having 10 over here, you will be having 11 and 10 over here, correct? Now do little bit of more simplification. So can I write things as like this gone, okay, and then this thing gone. So we are left with what? We are left with A is equal to B by 2 is equal to C by 42 by 11. Correct or wrong? Okay. So now the point is you have to do little bit of more simplification. Means can I write things as, whenever you will have something is to something is to something, no, take it as k. So can I write A equals to, A will be equal to k, B will be equal to 2k, and C will be equal to 42 by 11k. Okay. Now you got some situation. If you are not getting things done, what you should do? Just multiply every side by 11. So you will be having A by 11 equals to B by 22 equals to C by 42. So the relationship will be what? 11 is to 22 is to 42. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.